Welcome to Sri Lanka. An island of breathtaking landscapes, rich cultural heritage, and serene village life. In this journey, we will explore the most stunning natural wonders and charming villages that make this country a true paradise. From misty mountains to tranquil rivers, let's embark on an unforgettable cinematic experience. Our journey begins at one of Sri Lanka's most awe-inspiring landmarks, Sigiriya, also known as the Lion Rock. This ancient rock fortress, built in the 5th century by King Kashyapa, offers panoramic views of the surrounding forest. The climb to the top reveals well-preserved frescoes, ancient ruins, and breathtaking scenery. It is a place where history and nature blend seamlessly. Visit early in the morning to witness the sunrise and avoid the midday heat. Next, we journey to the picturesque town of Ella. Surrounded by rolling hills and vibrant tea plantations, Ella is a haven for nature lovers. The famous Nine Arches Bridge, an architectural marvel built during the British colonial era, is a must-visit. Watch as a train glides over this historic bridge, disappearing into the lush greenery. For a magical experience, take a scenic train ride from Kandy to Ella, one of the world's most beautiful railway journeys. Horton Plains National Park is a nature lover's dream. Walk through the grasslands, past misty forests, and arrive at World's End, a sheer cliff with a dramatic drop of 4,000 feet. The view from here is nothing short of mesmerizing, making it one of Sri Lanka's most photographed locations. Start your hike early in the morning when the skies are clear for the best views. Known as Little England, Nuwara Eliya offers a glimpse into Sri Lanka's colonial past. This charming town, nestled in the heart of tea country, is known for its cool climate, beautifully manicured gardens, and quaint cottages. A visit to a tea estate here is a must, where you can witness the art of tea making and savor a freshly brewed cup of Ceylon tea. Take a boat ride on Gregory Lake for a peaceful escape. Moving to the southern coast, we arrive at Galle, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Galle Fort, built by the Portuguese and later fortified by the Dutch, is a testament to Sri Lanka's colonial history. Strolling through its charming streets, you'll find boutique shops, art galleries, and cafes, all set against a stunning coastal backdrop. Enjoy a sunset walk along the fort walls for breathtaking ocean views. For those seeking adventure, the Knuckles mountain range is an untouched paradise. Named for its resemblance to a clenched fist, this region is rich in biodiversity, home to rare flora and fauna. Trekking through these mountains feels like stepping into a lost world. Hire a local guide to navigate the trails safely and learn about the unique ecosystem. Beyond the tourist hotspots, Sri Lanka's rural villages offer a glimpse into traditional life. Experience the warm hospitality of the locals, witness age-old farming techniques, and enjoy authentic home-cooked meals. Life here moves at a slower pace, in harmony with nature. Consider staying in an eco-lodge or a homestay to fully immerse yourself in village life. Sinharaja Rainforest, a UNESCO-listed biosphere, is Sri Lanka's last remaining virgin rainforest. It is a haven for birdwatchers and wildlife enthusiasts, home to unique species found nowhere else in the world. Walking through its dense canopy feels like entering an enchanted forest. Visit with a certified naturalist to learn about the incredible biodiversity. From the towering peaks of Ella to the golden beaches of Galle, Sri Lanka is a land of unparalleled beauty. Whether you seek adventure, history, or tranquility, this island has something for everyone. Thank you for joining us on this breathtaking journey. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and let the beauty of the world inspire you.